Okay, so how did you start your art journey?
I'm gonna tell you from the start. When I was a kid and even when a teenager, I really don't know about much about the field art. So I was a kid who was interested in it, but don't know about it. So I was just with time to time, I when I don't know about it and I don't know much about it, so I just like there was a it was something that I was leaving behind and start focusing on study that I never really liked actually. Not the study, but the the metrics like we are living in, like the school things. It's such a trap for a person. So not a person, for a kid. Actually, they just kill the creativity inside a person. Yeah. So then I totally just lost it, like totally. And then one day after like my, I think metric, I completed metric. After that, I had to choose what to do. So I was going with art, and everyone says no, it's not a good field. And I was like, why it's not a good field? Like I think so. It's something that I like. Like my soul likes to do something with the art. Mm-hmm. So then choose art in college, but everyone there was like, why did you choose art? Did you like fail in subjects or something? I said, no, I just did it because I want to choose. So they're like, okay, it's not a field by the way. I said, okay, if you don't think so, it's your choice, it's your opinion. And then I was looking for something, some center, some coaching that I can learn art, but I don't know where to find it. I don't know where to go, where what to search, and etc. Then told my parents about it. My mother and mother, they was trying to find a center coach. Then I I found one, I guess. Then I went and like visited that area, but it was like tomorrow morning I had to go and like join the coaching. So I spent the night excitedly that I'm like finally I'm going somewhere like I think where I belong. But then after my mom came from her school, she's a teacher, so she told me that me and your father went and like visited a center. It's it's so much like the paintings there and the things. It's such a like masterpiece. It's like we didn't know it was so near like with our area in our area and like this. So after that he says, okay, let's see, we're gonna visit that tomorrow. And then another excited night. And after that the moment I stepped into that center, into that coach, something like I don't know what to say, like the excitement, the happiness, everything was like running here and there. My heartbeat is going somewhere else. I am going somewhere else. My breath is going somewhere else because I'm feeling like there is something special about this place. Mhm. It is connected with me, with my soul. And then seeing like visiting the whole center, I went and the sir, the teacher, he's my the like teacher. He is the main reason I am here today. He told me so much, like from the basic and even from like who I am right now. He's the one who told me, like who taught me and everything. So at first, like I have some like basic drawings, and at that time that was a like big thing for me because I don't know much about it. But when like I showed her to my teacher and he's okay. And then he started telling me the basics, like the shading and everything, because I literally don't know anything. The pencils, the shading techniques, anything. Like I just draw with the dark outline and like the filling, the color. That's it. It was all I know at that. But then, like my teacher, he told me day by day, I was getting better. And finally, yesterday, I guess was the last day from there. And then I just started for like art university, and my teacher told me to apply here. So it's not ending here. We are not ending here. We are not stopping here. We are going, trying to be better day by day. I'm not a perfectionist, and I never was, and I'm never going to be because art is something you can learn every time. Like even if you are drawing an apple daily, you will learn like the new techniques in just simple apple sketch.
Uh-huh.
So it's like trying to be better day by day, trying to learn more about arts, trying to make myself a better person.
Hmm. So, if I ask you that, what is your major goal in life in regards of being an artist? What is that you actually want? What is your biggest desire?
I want you to be more specific about what are you trying to ask.
As an artist, what is your biggest desire to achieve in life? Is it recognizability? Is it your art's recognizability? Or is it more awareness in people to be an artist? Like, what is the specific thing that you want to give to this world as an artist?
It's actually a really hard question that you're asking right now because as we like talked about it before, like not the camera, not you guys, but like we talked personally. So there's we cannot say like what we exactly want. We are just trying to find what we want. So
Mhm.
right now, I'm just trying to find what I want, what my desires are, what I wanted to give this world as an artist, because I'm still in the process. Like in a very early stage, I am right now, so I'm just trying to figure it out.
Mhm. Okay. And lastly, I would like to ask is that how do you want people to feel whenever they come onto your social accounts?
Check the posts, the artworks, and I'll say just like leave a comment. So like not positive or negative, but what you feel about that art or like the thing, whatever it is. Leave a comment how you feel, and so like we'll know that the post we are uploading, are you really liking it? The work I am doing are like is something you are liking. Like maybe we can help you if you like if you want to do system hang. I was saying leave a good comment, not a good comment actually. Just leave a comment, whatever you want to comment, but just leave it because that's how we'll know that you are really watching our content. Even if you're just swipe and then go back and watch, and like okay, and if you just swipe away, just say it's good or it's bad or it's average or whatever it is.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.